Hello children, good morning. So today we will study about what? Yes, Roman numerals. So today we will start our next session, that is Roman numerals. Are you ready? Okay. Children, it's your learning outcome. So after this session you can learn Roman numerals and their symbols. Okay.
Children, did you see this type of numbers anywhere? Yes. You can see some clocks in your standard. Which standard you are studying? Yes, you are studying in fifth standard, and last class you studied in fourth standard. Okay. So classes we can write using this type of numbers. അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾ ഫിഫ്തിലാണെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾ ഫോർത്തിലാണെങ്കിലും ഏത് ക്ലാസ്സിലാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിലും classes we are writing this type of symbols. This type of symbols is using. Understand? So these type of symbols are called Roman numerals. Okay? Roman numerals. Normal numbers 1, 2, 3, 0 up to 9, that numbers are called Hindu Arabic numerals. So this is the Roman numerals for Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12 is writing on this clock. So this is Roman numerals writing on this clock. Okay, that you understand. So you listen here. Here, you look this. Here, Hindu Arabic numeral is 1 and same that Roman numeral is, this is representing 1 and 2, how to represent 2 is 2 numbers is writing, 2, 1 is writing, that means 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is writing and 3 is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3. And 4, how to write? 4 is writing, not writing 4 ones. Our 5 is given here. 5 is the symbol V. So first writing, that means 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 in 1 Roman numerals rules under that rule I will teach you. So according to that rule, 4 is representing, 4 means 5 minus 1, not 1, 1, 1, 1. 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. So first writing 1, then writing 5 symbol. This is 4. That means 5 minus 1. Okay, this rule I will teach you. So for this is 4 symbol and 6, how to write? 6 we can write because 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5 symbol is writing, then 1 writing after. So this is 6. So this is number 6. Okay, 7 also writing here. 7 also, 5 plus 2 is 7. So 5 symbol writing, then 2 ones. So that is 7 and 8 also, 5 plus 3. So 8. How to write 9? 9, how to write? Tens is X is the number. Tens number is X. Tens Roman numeral is X. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So how to write? 1 symbol and 10 symbol, that is 10 minus 1. This is a rule. So this is representing which number? Is 9. So this is 9. Okay, then 11, same that 10 plus 1 is 11. So we can write 10 first, then 1 is writing. So that is 10 plus 1 is 11, 12, 13, 14 means 10, then this 4, that is 14. 15 also you can write up to 20, how to write? 2x, that is 20. X 10 plus 10 is 20. So 2x is there, that is 20. Then 2x is 20. Okay, this you understand? 20. Then next is L. L, how to write? L is representing 50. 50 is L. So we can use 51, how to write? L. 50 plus 1 is 51. So L is writing, then 1. This is 51. Okay. 52 same. 53, 54, 55. We can write that way. Then 60, how to write 60? 60. 60 means 50 plus 10 is 60. So 50 symbol is L and 50 plus 10. What is the symbol of 10? X. So LX means that is 60. 50 plus 10 is 60. Okay. How to write 62? 62, how to write? Yes, 62. 50 plus 10, 60. So LX is writing LX. That means, sorry. L, then X is writing LX. So this is 60. Okay, 60 you understand. How to write 2? 2 means 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 ones you write. This is 62. Understand? This symbol is 62. So this is number 62. Then 50 symbol is L. Then what is 100 symbol? 100 is C. C representing 100. So 100 836. How to write 836? 836. 800. If I am right, 100 is here. Then D is representing 500. So how to make 800? 800 means 500 plus 300 is 800. Okay. 500 plus 300, 800. So 500 symbol is D. D eഴുതി. 500 symbol D ആണ്. So D നമ്മൾ എഴുതി. Okay. Then 500 plus 300 ആണ് നമ്മുടെ 800 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. പക്ഷെ 300 symbol നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടോ? No. അപ്പൊ എത്ര തവണ C എഴുതണം? 3 times C എഴുതിയാൽ നമുക്ക് 300 കിട്ടില്ലേ? 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. So 3 times C. C. So this is 800. Okay. Then 836. How to make 36? ഇതിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ 36 ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 30 കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 3 times 10 അല്ലേ? 3 times 10 is writing. So this is 3 times 10. Okay. Then 6 symbol V1. Okay, V1. This is 36. Then 1000 symbol is M. This. Then children, you listen here. This is an easy trick for reminding the Roman numerals. Medical Savior. You remember this name, Medical Savior. So M is representing 1000. Starting from this 1000, 100, then 500, 100, 50, 10, 5, 1. So M is 1000, D is 500, C is 100, L is 50. This is the easy tricks for reminding the Roman numerals. So you study the Roman numerals by heart, then only you can write any Roman numeral and their Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay, Medical Savior, you remember. And then find out the Roman numeral. This is the easy tricks for Roman numeral. Okay. Then next is rules for Roman numerals. First rule is when a symbol is repeated, that means that is addition. When a symbol is repeated, that means addition. If I am writing 3 ones, which is representing this, this is 1, 1, 1. That means that is addition. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the symbol is repeating, that means that is addition. If I am writing this X is representing what? X is representing 10. So X means that is 10 plus 10. Okay, this is first rule. If a symbol is repeating, that means that is addition. Okay, this is addition. 10 plus 10. Then, but if for addition, that means only 1, X, C and M are repeated. Either repeat ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 1 ഉം X ഉം C ഉം M ഉം മാത്രം repeat ചെയ്യൂ. അതില് 5 സിമ്പിള് L, 50 സിമ്പിള് D, 500. ഇത്രയും സിമ്പിൾസ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വരില്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഏതൊക്കെ സിമ്പിൾസ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും? 1 സിമ്പിൾ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും, 10 സിമ്പിൾ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും, 100 സിമ്പിൾ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും, ആൻഡ് M 1000 സിമ്പിൾ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ബാക്കി സിമ്പിൾസ് അതായത് V, L, D ആർ നോട്ട് റിപ്പീറ്റഡ്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? Then a symbol can be repeated up to maximum of 3 times. 3 times വരെ ഒരു സിമ്പിൾ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. Okay, that's our first rule. Then our second rule is when a smaller numeral is written to the right of the greater numeral. അതായത് ഒരു smaller numeral എഴുതുമ്പോൾ അത് right of the greater numeral ആയിരിക്കണം. Example, this is our first rule. Then our second rule is smaller number is written to the right of the greater numeral. If I have one example, 5 is a greater number and 1 is writing here. This is 6. That means 5 plus this is addition. So 5 plus 1. So greater number is writing first. Then from the right side, smaller number is writing. That is 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is representing what? Yes, this is representing 6. Okay. The 5 plus 1 means that is 6. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. That 6 I am writing. Okay. One more rule is there. I think you have one question in your mind. So I will show you. Then this, what is this? X. This is 10. Then 10 plus 1 plus 1. What is this? Which number is this? 10 first writing. 10 symbol is X. So 10 plus 1. That means 1 plus 1 is 2. 10 plus 2. 2 symbol not there. So again we are converting this. Symbol illengil veendum nammal 2 inde symbol 2 thanne. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 എഴുതിയാൽ അത് correct ആവത്തുള്ളൂ. Okay, 10 plus, because നമുക്ക് 1 ന്റെ symbol മാത്രമല്ലേ ഉള്ളൂ. 10 plus 1 plus 1. So that is what answer is. Which number is that? 10 plus 2 is 12. Understand? This is 12. So here we say that a smaller number, this is 1 is smaller and 5 is greater. Smaller number is writing right of the greater number. That's our second rule. Then third rule is when a greater numeral is written to the right of the smaller numeral, that means that is subtraction. Understand? If the smaller numeral is writing left of the greater numeral, 1 എഴുതി 5 എഴുതി. So what is this? That is 4. This means here this is subtraction. അതായത് 1ഉം 5ഉം കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കരുത് ഇവിടെ, because 1 is smaller and 5 is greater. അപ്പൊ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു നമ്പർ കണ്ടാൽ നിങ്ങൾ വിചാരിക്കും 1 plus 5 എന്ന് നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം. So that is not correct, because according to the Roman numeral rules, 5 is the greater number and 1 is the smaller number. So here subtraction. വലുതിന് ചെറുതങ്ങ് കുറയ്ക്കുക. 5 minus 1 you do it. Then only we will get the answer. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is our third rule. Understand? I will show you. I already show that 4 and 9 how to make. 4 and 9 ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന മിസ് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നില്ലേ? That same rule is that. Understand? So if I am writing XL, what is X? X is 10 and L is 50. 50 is greater and 10 is smaller. So 50, right, for subtraction is doing 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 what? Yes, 40. So this number is representing 40. അല്ലാതെ 10 plus 50 എഴുതി വെച്ചാൽ 16 നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റ് ആണോ? That is not correct. So 40 is the correct answer. Understand? This is 40 because 10 is smaller and L 100 is greater. So 100, L is 50, not 100, L is 50. So 50 minus 10 you will write. Then that is subtraction. That's the correct answer. That is third rule. Then fourth rule is when a smaller numeral is written between two greater numerals, it is always subtracted from the greater numeral. appearing just after it. അതായത് മിസ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. I will show you example, then only you can understand the rules. Okay, if the number is 10, 1 and x, again 10. So smaller number is between the two greater number. What we'll do first? Yes, here also subtraction. That means first symbol 10. The 10 is writing first. Then this 2. That means this is 1 and x. So 2 and the numbers. So that means smaller number is first and greater number is second. So 10 minus plus iduga. Then in the bracket you write 10 minus 1. The 10 minus 1 and because that Roman smaller number is between two greater number. First greater number plus smaller number. So 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9 equal to, that is 9. 10 plus 9. What is the answer? 10 plus 9 is a bracket. Bracket so 10 minus 1 is 9. So 10 plus 9, 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 plus 9 is 19. This symbol is representing what? Yes, 19. Okay, this is 19. Understand? So next I am writing x, you can say x L 1B. Okay, so you study the symbols of Roman numeral. What is that trick? Medical savior, you remember, and find out which all numbers is this. X is representing 10. Here L is 50 and this x is 10. So this is greater number and this is smaller number. So for what we'll do, first is subtracting. 50 minus 10 you write. For smaller number 50. 50 so 50 minus 10 cheyuga. Okay, at writing first. Then plus symbol iduga. Aduttadu oru smaller number. Okay, then this is smaller and this is greater. Okay, 5 greater. So in bracket again subtraction. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 cheyuga. That is 5. 5 minus 1 you do not 8. 5 is doing. 5 is writing there. I will show you. 5. 5 minus 1. Okay. So which number is this? Can you say which number? 50 minus 10 is? 50 minus 10? Yes, that is 40. Equal to 50 minus 10, 40. 40 is writing. Plus. Then bracket na 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So what number is this? 44. Understand how to make Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numerals. Understand? So this is our fourth rule. Then last rule is V is not written to the left of X. That is 5 in the symbol, not writing left of X. X in the Mumbai. In the same way, L and D are not written to the left of a bigger number. That is fifth rule. V is not writing to the left. We can write XV. XV in Edda. Okay. V is not writing left of the X, but not Vx. Vx. Okay. Understand? This is wrong. This is wrong. This is correct. This is correct. V is writing right of the X, not writing left of the X. In the same way, L and D are not written to the left of the bigger number. If we are writing LV is writing. V is 5 and L is 50. So 50 is greater number and 5 is a smaller number. So bigger number in the mumba, a smaller number in the mumba, L D padilla, but V L L we can write because L is 50 and V is 5. L V that is greater number is first, smaller number is second. If we are not writing V L namukku ezhudan padilla. Okay. Understand the 5 rules. Last rule is VL we cannot write, LV we can write. That means LV matra alla, that bigger number 50. L is 50 and 5 is smaller. So L and D are not written to the left of the bigger number. Bigger number the left, L um D um ezhudan padilla. Smaller number the left ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം. അതായത് V5 ആണ്, L greater ആണ്. V smaller ആയതുകൊണ്ട് smaller number മുമ്പിൽ എഴുതാം. But VL is not correct. Smaller number കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് greater number എഴുതിയാൽ that is not correct. You understand? This is the rules of finding.
So you write in your notebook Roman numerals and that table you draw in your notebook, and that easy tricks, that's the easy tricks you write in the side of your notebook. You can use colors for remembering the Roman numerals. Okay, so this is you write in your notebook. Children, it's your homework. So worksheet 1C, page number 4, question number 4 and 5 is your homework. Okay, worksheet 1C, page number 4, question number 4 and 5. So children, what are points we discussed today is Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals and their symbols, then an easy tricks of remembering the Roman numerals, then rules for Roman numerals we discussed today. So that rules I am giving next session, notebook corner I will give the rules of Roman numbers. So today's session finished. I think all of you understand today's session. Children, our next topic is addition and subtraction of Roman numerals. So next session we will discuss more about Roman numerals. So next session what we will study? How to add and subtract Roman numerals. Okay.